From the blocks to the booth, but I ain't really aiming to be a popular dude, you know. Big cars, big cribs, rocking the jewels wasn't part of my plan. Wait, maybe the cars and the cribs, but I was really focused on making my grand's cake, putting my kids through school and copping some land. But hey, I've achieved more than I expected, respected. To get here, I done spent nights restless trying to compose something y'all niggas would think the best is. But wait till they get a load on my next shit.
Get out of here, this basic
Rebel Commission, man. Even the Dawn boss like Hugo, man. Peace to my nigga Doe. Free GQ, man. Free gangster, man. Holla at your boy.
Oh yeah, that's what I was finna
Rich
say,
Clips,
man.
Baby.
Hey, y'all get the opportunity to address the motherfucking haters too, dog.
Yo, man, all you dick sucking ass niggas, man. Whoever, I don't think nobody ready, man. So don't even say shit, man. You know what I'm saying? I got niggas for y'all if y'all think y'all ready for me. If y'all get, you know, through them niggas, then I'll get on you niggas' head. You dig? Holla at your boy, though.
For sure.
The Rebel Commission, remember that.
Who wanna fuck with you, Rich Clips?
You tell me.
I don't know. You tell me.
Niggas, man.
No, nobody want it?
Nothing. In the booth. Yeah. Self-explanatory.
Man.
What's up?
That's how it go, man.
You got something to say about me, spit it out.
That's how it is, man. That's how it is, man. You know what I'm saying? We out of here, man. It's late. Dude gotta go to school. We holla at y'all.